In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a concept map on Google Docs. Concept mapping is a fantastic way to visually organize information and ideas, making it easier to communicate complex concepts clearly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser of choice. You can easily do this from your desktop or taskbar, depending on what you're using. Once your browser is open, type in google.com in the address bar. This will take you to Google's homepage, where you can access all their services. Next, you'll want to sign into your Google account. Simply click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner. If you're not already signed in, you'll follow a few steps here. Enter your email address into the designated field, then click Next. You will then be prompted to type in your password, so go ahead and do that. Click Next once more to complete the sign-in process. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner for a small box of 9 dots, commonly referred to as the Google Apps grid icon. Clicking on that will give you a drop-down list of Google services. From here, you want to choose Google Docs. This will open up a new tab or window with the Google Docs landing page. Select the document you wish to use, or you can create a new one if needed. In your document, start by clicking on the Insert tab at the top of your screen. A menu will appear and you'll want to select the Drawing option. When you hover over it, a side menu will expand. Click New to open the Drawing dialog, allowing you to create your concept map. Once inside the Drawing tool, look for the Shape icon, which when clicked will give you a variety of options. Go ahead and select shapes from the drop-down list. Browse through the different shapes and choose one that suits your concept map needs. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your chosen shape. To connect different shapes or ideas, select the line tool from the toolbar above. Click and drag between shapes to connect them logically. This is where your mapping starts to take shape. Enhance your concept map by customizing colors, line styles, and text formatting. You can change these attributes by selecting the shape or line you want to edit and using the toolbar options to adjust the aesthetics. Don't forget to click Save and Close once you're satisfied with your concept map. This will insert your drawing into your Google Doc, where you can resize it or reposition as needed, and there you have it, a basic concept map in Google Docs. This tool provides a simple yet effective way to flesh out ideas and connect the dots visually. Happy mapping, and be sure to explore more features in Google Docs to enhance your projects even further.